A little quick Fibonacci update where if you start with the numbers 1 and 2, or even 0 and 1, and you add the two previous numbers, then this is what's going to give us the Fibonacci sequence. And there's a bunch of numbers within the sequence. Now, if we take a number, say this 17,711, and divide it by the 10946, that gives us the golden ratio, which is 61.803398%. We'll copy and paste them down just a little bit, and let's just play around with this a little bit. Instead of 2, what would happen if we change the number? Say we put a 3 instead. Well, it still manages to work within 61.8%. So 4. Same thing. So I guess it doesn't matter what the second number is. I can make it a 5. I can make it a 6. I can make it a 34. I guess if you take 1 and then any number, then it would kind of work out. Maybe we can just not try 1 as a first number. Maybe like 14 and 34. Well, that still works out. Maybe we'll put in 31 and 197. It still works out to find the golden ratio. Even if we put decimals, say 1.87, 1.872, and 43.983. We still get 61.83%. If I put a negative number in, say -5 and -2, it's still giving us 61.8%. So I find that very interesting. You take any two numbers, as long as they're both not 0. Any two different numbers, I think. Nope, any two numbers are going to be the same, 3 and 3, as long as the two numbers aren't 0, because you can't divide by 0. But you take any two numbers and you keep on dividing the sum of the previous two, it will always come up within that. So I find that interesting, to say the least.